Wala na yung constitutional convention. Maggawa lang tayo. I don't know how you submit it to the people to a referendum. And if it contains something that's, if it's crafted in such a way that it will improve everything, then i-approve ninyo. I give you my word, either written o sa, ako pa naman pagka that's the problem with me because in front of a beautiful woman, my promise would become solemn and sacred. Deal tayo. Yung honesta, ako corrupt, o sige, tulong kayo. Let us, I will task the ILG.